Picture a sunny park picnic, blankets at spread, snacks piled high, music floating through the breeze. Your smartwatch buzzes with a flirty text that lights up your heart, but then silence. Ghosted, left wondering if you're enough. Friends, meet Ethan, a guy like you, facing those same stings from friends like Hedi, his crush, and Sam, his buddy. That pain isn't just a moment, it's a test of your soul. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism, women and men, navigate the chaos of love and life. I'm here to guide you through Ethan's 7-day journey to master his heart with Stoic philosophy, turning tests into power. This isn't about outsmarting anyone. It's about forging Stoicism relationships that shine, building Stoic happiness, and becoming the legend no test can break. Will Ethan rise above the noise? Subscribe now and join our 20,000-strong crew to claim your Stoic reign. Life's a storm of notifications, group chats, flirty texts, smartwatch pings, each one a test. Stoicism. Women and men like Hedi and Sam throw curveballs, ghosting, flirty jabs, flaky plans. Most folks crumble chasing replies, their mental health fading. Marcus Aurelius said, "The obstacle is the way." These tests aren't here to wreck you, they're your path to Stoicism practice. Over 7 days, Ethan's story unfolds at this picnic, where Stoicism for beginners becomes his shield. No tricks here, this is a Stoicism mindset to conquer Stoicism on love, cut stress, and make you unstoppable. Stoicism, women and men, don't want chasers, they want rocks who live self-improvement. Ready to rewrite your story? Let's walk Ethan's path to Stoic vibes. Day 1, embrace the void. Ethan's at the picnic, vibing with friends, when Hedi, the girl he's into, texts, "You're stealing the show," with a winky face. His heart races, but her reply vanishes. Ghosted. Sam, his close friend, hypes him in the group chat, then bails on plans. Most folks double text, begging, "You okay?" Ethan feels the sting, fear of losing Hedi, doubt about Sam's loyalty. Stoicism for women and men says, don't fight the void, embrace it. Epictetus taught, you control only your choices. Ethan lets the silence sit, tossing a frisbee, his calm a quiet rebellion. This isn't ignoring pain, it's owning it. Try this Stoicism exercise. Start a void journal. Each night, write one moment you felt tested, ghosted, ignored, and how you stayed calm. Ethan wrote, Hedi's silence hurt, but I didn't chase. This Stoicism daily habit builds clarity, showing Stoicism, women and men, you're unshaken. What's your void? Embrace it, and you're free. Day 2, anchor your soul. Hedi's back at the picnic, laughing with a guy, saying, he's got wild stories. Sam brags, my new match is unreal? Most folks snap, jealous, asking, what's that about? Ethan's gut twists, but Stoicism lessons anchor him. Seneca said, your peace is your fortress. Their jabs, flirty hints, name drops, crave his reaction. Ethan grins, sounds like they're winning fans, and grabs a drink, his vibe steady. Anchoring isn't coldness, it's choosing your soul over their noise. Try this Stoicism exercise, craft a soul anchor. When tested, pause, breathe, say, my peace is mine, shakes. Reply light, and log it in your void journal. Ethan wrote, Hedi's jab stung, but I stayed anchored. This cuts stress, showing Stoicism. Women and men, you're a fortress. What's their jab? Anchor up, and you're solid. Day 3, craft your arena. Hedi flakes on a coffee date, texting, swamped. Sam skips game night, saying, life's nuts. Most folks nod, hoping to please. Ethan, rooted in Stoic philosophy, sets his arena. I value real plans. Let's make it work, or I'm good. No anger, just clarity. Stoicism, women and men, respect those who define their space. Your arena isn't control, it's self-respect. A Stoicism mindset, that demands effort. If Hedi or Sam kept flaking, Ethan's ready to say, "I don't do half vibes. Step up or I'm out." Try this Stoicism exercise. Build an arena map. List 3 non-negotiables: effort, respect, honesty. In a note app, state one calmly when tested. Log it in your void journal. Ethan wrote, "Hedi's flake tested my arena, held firm." This boosts mental health, locking in Stoicism relationships. What's your arena? Craft it, and you're a king. Day 4, chase your fire. Stoicism. Women and men vibe with those who burn for their dreams. Ethan's a graphic designer, grinding his portfolio while Hedi and Sam play hot and cold. Most folks pause their hustle chasing texts. Ethan, fueled by Stoicism motivation, knows his fire. Designs, gym, crew, outshines their games. He posts a killer design on socials, letting Hedi and Sam see his glow. Stoicism for beginners says, your life is your throne, not their drama. Try this Stoicism exercise. Ignite a fire plan. List 3 goals: career, fitness, growth, in your note app. Hit one daily, track it in your void journal. Ethan wrote, "Hedi texted when I posted my work." This makes you a magnet for Stoicism women and men cutting stress. What's your fire? Chase it, and they'll follow. Day 5, master the exit. Hedi's texts fade again. Sam's hype turns to excuses. Most cling, scared to lose. Ethan, grounded in Stoic philosophy, says, "I'm done with mixed vibes. If you're not real, I'm out." He exits, focusing on his designs. No drama. Stoicism on love says, exiting isn't loss, it's power. Ethan's move sparks Hedi and Sam to step up, their texts genuine. Try this Stoicism exercise. Forge an exit gate. List 3 deal breakers: ghosting, flaking, disrespect. In your note app. Exit if they cross 1. Log your strength in your void journal. Ethan wrote, "Sam got real post-exit." This builds Stoicism relationships on respect, boosting Stoic happiness. What's your gate? Master it, and you're untouchable. Day 6, radiate the Stoic spark. By day 6, Ethan's not just surviving, he's thriving. Hedi and Sam notice his calm, his fire, his arena. Stoicism women and men gravitate to those who shine without chasing. Aurelius said, "Be a lamp unto yourself." Ethan's spark, his designs, his crew, his peace, draws them in. He's not loud, but his Stoicism mindset screams strength. Try this Stoicism exercise. Light a spark ritual. Each morning, write one way you'll shine. Create, connect, grow. And do it. Log it in your void journal. Ethan wrote, "My design post sparked Hedi's respect." This fuels self-improvement, making you a beacon for Stoicism, women and men. What's your spark? Radiate it, and you're a legend. Day 7, claim your reign. Ethan stands at the picnic, transformed. Hedi's ghosting and Sam's flakiness stung, but Stoicism for women and men made him a rock. He admits the pain. Fear of losing them hurt, but he chose his path. Stoicism. Women and men don't want puppets. They want emperors who own their heart. This isn't a game. It's Stoicism practice for life. Try this Stoicism exercise. Declare a reign oath. Write, "I am my own reign." List 1 test you conquered and share it on socials with hashtag Stoic Reign. Ethan wrote, "I beat Hedi's ghosting. I am my reign." This locks in Stoic vibes, cutting stress. What's your reign? Claim it, and you're eternal. In a world of buzzing group chats, Stoicism women and men seek those who rise above. Ethan's 7 days weren't just about Hedi or Sam. They were about freeing his soul. Stoicism for women and men means embracing tests, anchoring peace, crafting your arena, and radiating your spark. These aren't moves. They're a Stoic philosophy for Stoicism relationships that last. Join our 7-day Stoic Heart Quest to own your heart. For 3 days, embrace the void. Log 1 test daily. Ghosting. jabs in your void journal, asking, "What's my power?" Ethan wrote, "Sam's dodge tested me. I stayed calm. For 4 days, anchor your soul. Pause, breathe, say, 'My peace is mine.' Reply light, log their shift." Ethan wrote, or Hedi texted when I anchored, "Science says these habits/stress, boosting mental health. Subscribe for weekly Stoicism lessons. Tag a friend who needs this. Start tonight, friends, and reign supreme." Stoicism. Women and men don't define you, you do. Ethan's Stoicism mindset didn't just beat tests, it built him. Stoicism for women and men means owning your heart, not chasing theirs. This journey from void to reign is your Stoic philosophy guide, forging Stoicism relationships that endure. You don't chase games, you end them. You don't beg vibes, you create them. Be Stoic. Be your reign. Shine as the legend no test can dim.